Hey everyone, it's Alex from Smart Alex, and today we are exploring a new tool from Microsoft's research team. It's called Data Formulator. And as a data professional, this one gives me the heebie-jeebies. Okay. Essentially is a tool that is meant to help and uh, assist you in formulating different visualizations for a data set. This is meant to take out the hard work that individuals in the data teams face when trying to figure out what is a good representation of data or visualization of data, as it is able to use the power of LLMs and AI to dish out the infinite number of visualizations for a data set. Is my job at risk yet? Like, what's going on? No, but in real talk, we're going to download it, we're going to try it, we're going to give it a run and see how it goes. Let's begin. Oakley dokley, now we have it loaded up. We've pulled it from the Git repo. We'll open up a terminal. Okay, pretty easy installation. We'll use a Python package to install Data Formulator, and then we'll run Data Formulator. It didn't come with a data source, so we're going here to grab a data source. Let's go with renewables. Okay, we'll use this data source for now. All right, following the instruction, once we have installed the Python package, we'll just run Data Formulator. Allow that, and here we go. Localhost 5000. We have the Data Formulator. So here's where you would add your provider, your API key. We'll use Llama, and the base has always been before. Click that. If it doesn't work with local LLMs, then I'm not going to use it, because already just exposing any kind of data to the world is, and the World Wide Web is going to be dangerous. Look, it looks like it works. We've set it. We've configured all our models. We're ready to test this. We've got our fake data set that we got from Kaggle. Place lot assignments. Whoa! It's doing things. All right. Yeah, Gemma's too. There's too much hope in Gemma. But I will use Gemma free for the hint tasks, but for generation tasks, I will use the GPT-4 Mini. Can't go wrong with that. This will work perfectly. Alrighty. Ooh! Interesting. It's not the visualization I would use. I would use bar chart, but it's pretty easy just to switch it to bar chart. 1960, 1970, all the way to 2020. It shows the growth. Yeah, it's not bad. Answered the question. The agent was able to pass through a useful, meaningful data transformation explanation. Alright. Here we go. So you click new chart button, or you can create a new chart off that table as well. How does that work? Shows the Australian only one, so I can ask questions specifically about Australian data from this table. And so I'm going to ask for let's see what we'll ask for. We'll ask for a distribution of renewables as of 1999. What do you got for me, Mr. AI? Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. What in the hell is WLD though? Oh, that's the world. Huh. We must exclude the world from this. Let's see if I can do that. Exclude WLD, as that stands for world, as well as G20 and OECD. That's a much better distribution. See, you still need human in the loop. I'm not scared yet, but at the same time, this is pretty cool for like helping me visualize data really quickly. That was actually much faster than using Power BI or Tableau. So I do see like the strength of this tool, and I can actually visualize the future of what is possible with LLMs and data. I don't like the fact that I have to use GPT-4o Mini to get it to work. It wasn't working with GPT OSS. Maybe that's because I don't have enough graphic compute power on my computer. It wasn't able to fix it fast enough. I think if I increase the timeout, that wouldn't be an issue. Not bad. Good size. If I can get it to work on my local LLM, that would be sick. But for now, I'll leave you with the greatest new tool from Microsoft Research. A barely working data visualizer. Woo! Woo, woo, woo! Still have a job, ladies and gentlemen. It's generating. It's generating. Oh, that's actually not so bad.